Welcome back to KITT Racing, everybody. You know me, I've been shopping again, and I have 30 monster trucks I'm going to unbox for you today. If you guys like monster truck unboxing and racing, consider hitting your subscribe button and give this video a like so I know you like the content. We have an upcoming monster truck King of the Hill. It's going to be on my inside track. It's going to be a straight drag race of all my monster trucks I have open. I'll put the link above once I get the race recorded. Something new I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to open some up and give you a closer look. That's enough talking, let's get started. We got Sparkle Smash on the turntable. She's watching her competition. And first up, we have this 2-pack I purchased from Walmart. Demolition doubles. 2 race trucks that ought to fit in really good here at KITT Racing. I really like the chrome wheels on that number 4. And the number 1 is just an outstanding paint color scheme. I like that. I like that blue color. Just a really nice looking truck. And they're race trucks, so they ought to be good. All right, next up. Who doesn't want another monster truck Bigfoot with a crushable car? I love the simplicity of this color scheme. Just a really beautiful truck. Let's open this one up. There's that crushable car. Isn't that a beautiful truck? I really like the white undercarriage, chrome axles, white wheels match that undercarriage, and just that beautiful paint color. Just a beautiful truck. There. All right, let's get this packaging out of the way. You gotta love Bigfoot. Okay, next up is from my friend at GT Diecast, Gary and Trey. He traded me another limited edition stunt truck that's gonna be in the next King of the Hill. I now have 2, so this one will be ready to go in the next race. Thanks, Gary and Trey. Next up, we have the Monster Jam Superman. Really a cool casting. I really love their Batman they recently put out, and this was equally as cool with its red cape in the back, red undercarriage, blue wheels, and of course, the Superman. Really looking forward to opening this up and having it in the next race. I also picked up the Hot Wheels Iron Man. And if you're in the Fortnite, you might have just had your full of Iron Man. But here it is, the Monster Truck Iron Man. Really a cool casting with a green crushable car. Just a well-designed monster truck. Next up, I have to say I was really excited about picking up this Monster Truck 5-pack. This Fire and Ice edition from Walmart. The Megalodon, the Zombie, the Dragon, the El Toro Loco, but look at this grave digger. What's really cool about him is he's a combined fire and ice, and just really cool. I'm really looking forward to having this in my collection. I'm really looking forward to racing him. Yeah, really a great price at Walmart too. All right, next up, when my daughters are interested in something, I pick up a couple extra, and I got a couple pink Monster Mutt Poodle editions. They really love this pink edition. So now I can have one for collecting and one for racing. I know who the girls will be rooting for, unless it comes down to a Sparkle Smash and Monster Mutt Poodle race. I don't know who they'll pick. I picked up this Hot Wheels Twin Mill. What I really like about this, especially for racing, is look at these slicks on these tires. You know this guy's gonna be quick. And the next Monster Truck King of the Hill is gonna be on a straight up drag race. No jumps, no hills, no nothing. On a scale quarter mile. So I think this guy might be a super contender. Let's open them up real quick. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Look at these wheels. Oh yeah, he's gonna be quick. And I love these chrome 5 spokes. Got a couple engines on top. Number 68. This guy is gonna be trouble. I can already tell. He'll be in the next King of the Hill. Let's put him on the table. There we go. I think Sparkle might be nervous. One that really caught my eye the other day when I was looking around is Brodozer. Isn't that a cool truck? Look at that thing. You know, I always like a good black body like that. Yellow wheels. Just a really beautiful casting. See if I can keep them on this turntable here. There we go. And next up, I got the Queen Bee. Kind of a similar casting. Has a black body. Got a bee on there, got a bee right there. Yellow wheels, black tires, black undercarriage. Just a well-designed truck. Got some weight to it, I bet it's quick, all right? This Hot Wheels All-Star 5-pack that I picked up from Target. Check out that Bigfoot back there with his engine sticking out. It's another variation of the Bigfoot I really like. It also has this exclusive Camaro, which is pretty cool. Really looking forward to racing all 5 of these trucks. Now these two, I have to admit, were really cool. I mean, I have a lot of monster mutts, but this Fire and Ice edition really stood out. I really like the Fire edition on this one. I mean, he is bright and beautiful. And they did this Ice edition really nice too. Makes me cold just looking at them. I don't know if they'll be in the next King of the Hill, but they're really cool to look at. I might wait till I find another couple. All right, next up, I ordered another Wildfire and Yeti because I want to open them for the next King of the Hill. I have one for collecting and one for racing. Really looking forward to open up that Wildfire. But that Yeti is just a really cool casting. Kind of showed it in my last unboxing. I'll put the link above, but this one's going to be opened up and raced. Really looking forward to this. Next up, we have two School and Demo Derby. I found this in a 2-pack. I have a couple of these Demo Derbies, but I always want more 2 Schools. Relatively hard for me to find. I don't know if anybody else has that problem, but in the Demo edition, they're pretty cool. All right, next up, part of our trade, Trey and Gary also sent me this BKT, the Chase edition. Really like it. I really like the green wheels, black undercarriage, just a really spectacular casting. Sure, we'll eventually see it in a King of the Hill. All right, next up. Now, if you guys watched my L case unboxing, I'll put the link above, you'll see this car. This is a really cool car. I really like the slicks on it. And it'll be the perfect competition for the twin mill. We'll see if these two can break away from the pack. Let's open him up real quick. I'm a Dodge Mopar fan, so the Charger is the way to go. But look at those 5-spoke chrome wheels. Just they really outdid themselves on these cars. And I really look forward to seeing them race on the 6-lane. We'll put them on the turntable there. Oh yeah. And finally, a monster truck that's kind of eluded me over the years. And when I was recently walking through Dollar General, I saw this Big Air Breakouts track set, and I bought it just so I could get this loco pump. Finally found one. And it was a relatively good deal. You know, I'm kind of excited to have them. Let's open them up real quick. And there he is. Isn't that a really cool monster truck? An old steam engine built into a monster truck. I've always been a fan of these. Always had trouble finding them until now. And he'll be in the next Monster Truck King of the Hill because I just opened them. Put him on the turntable. There you go, you guys, with Sparkle Smash there in the center. We just went through 30 brand new monster trucks. And some of them, especially the ones I opened, are going to be in the next King of the Hill. I'll try to have it posted in the next 1 to 2 weeks. I really appreciate you guys all watching. If you like monster truck racing and unboxing, consider hitting your subscribe button and give this video a like so I know you like the content. I hope you are all doing well. I hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. We'll see you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.